Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss binomial theorem 7 marks questions. We already discussed in the previous classes in exercise, the first exercise only, exercise 6a. In that, we are discussing some problems in the 7 marks questions especially. So, first of all, what is the given expansion? What is the question here? If the coefficients of rth, r plus 1th and r plus 2th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in arithmetic progression, then show that n square minus of 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2 equal to 0. Number of times this question asked in the public examination in intermediate in AP and TS. So let us discuss this question now. First of all, given expansion. What is that given expansion? One plus x whole power n. In that expansion, the coefficient of rth, r plus 1th and r plus 2th terms. First you have to write the terms. What is rth term? Rth term means tr. That can be written as tr minus 1 plus 1 equal to ncr minus 1. We know that how to write tr plus 1. So in place of r minus 1 is there. So ncr minus 1. 1 power anything is 1 only. So x power r minus 1. This is trth term. Similarly, tr plus 1. So ncr plus 1. And tr plus 1 means here, in place of r only, ncr. 1 power n minus r. 1 power anything is 1 only. X power r. So what about tr plus 2? Tr plus 2th term. So this can be written as tr plus 1 plus 1. So it is in the form of tr plus 1, which is equal to nc. In place of r plus 1 is there. ncr plus 1. One power anything is 1. So x power r plus 1. I hope everyone understand. These are the expansions. Rth term, r plus 1th term and r plus 2th term. In this they are asking the coefficient of trth term, r plus 1th term and r plus 2th term. The coefficients which are called coefficients of this one. ncr minus 1 in trth term, ncr in tr plus 1th term, ncr plus 1 in tr plus 2th term. These terms are in AP. So, given ncr minus 1, ncr and ncr plus 1 are in arithmetic progression. We know that A, B, C are in AP. Here I am giving that formula. A, B, C are in AP. Then we have 2b is equal to a plus c. Twice of the middle is equal to sum of the extremities. By using this one, here I am giving that this is A. For understanding purpose I am writing. This is B. This is C. So for understanding purpose I am writing, dear students, A, B, C values. So now substitute in this. There in AP now 2b equal to a plus c. 2b means 2 into NCR is equal to a plus c. NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1. After that, here 2 into NCR is there now. I am keeping T2 here only, that means LHS. NCR I am taking into this side. This side means RHS side. So 2 is equal to NCR minus 1 by NCR plus NCR plus 1 divided by NCR. We have standard results which we discussed in earlier classes. Once again, I will revise that values. Here I am writing. We know that NCR minus 1 divided by NCR is equal to, how to write easily? NCR minus 1. R value here big, no, compared with R minus 1. So here NCR means in the numerator R you write it by N minus R plus 1. N minus R plus 1. Minus R minus 1 plus 1. Suppose if it is reverse is there, reverse. By using this formula, this we can write. Suppose NCR by NCR minus 1 is there. So we can write reverse. N minus R plus 1 by R. Why I am writing this one? If you observe that second term, we can write that way. So 2 equal to NCR minus 1 by NCR, we have formula now. Directly you write it as R by N minus R plus 1. Once again I will explain how to remember easy way. So NCR minus 1 by NCR means here R is there, no, this value you can write as a numerator. And N minus of this R minus 1, N minus R minus of minus 1 plus 1. That's what I wrote here. Everyone understand, I hope. Yeah. Similarly, if you write reverse now, that's what I am writing once again. Previously I wrote the reciprocal of the NCR minus 1 by NCR. NCR plus 1 by NCR. Observe carefully, ma. In this case, NCR plus 1 by NCR. So here R plus 1 is big compared with R. So this time how to do is, first denominator NCR is there, no? N minus R you write it in the numerator here. N minus R by. Just you have to rub this information. In numerator NCR is over, no? So in the numerator suffix R plus 1 is there, no? That directly write it R plus 1. So NCR plus 1 by NCR value, you write it as N minus R by R plus 1. By practicing it will be easy, dear students. Now take LCM. 2 equal to N minus R plus 1 into R plus 1. Here R into R plus 1 plus N minus R into N minus R plus 1. So cross multiply. So 2 into keep bracket n minus r plus 1 into r plus 1 is equal to r into r plus 1 is r square plus r plus, here actual multiplication you have to do that. So n into n square, next n into minus r minus nr, n into plus 1 plus n. Next each and every term multiplying by minus r. So minus nr plus r square, next plus minus r. So plus r minus r get cancelled. This side 2 into actual multiplication n into r, nr, n into plus 1 n, minus r into r minus r square, minus r into 1 minus r, 1 into r plus 1 plus r plus 1. Here also we can cancel these terms, which is equal to r square plus r square 2r square plus n square minus nr minus 2nr plus n. So here multiply each and every term, 2nr plus 2n minus 2r square plus 2. Now these values, which is equal to 2r square plus n square minus 2nr plus n. LHS values I am taking into the RHS side. Therefore, 2r square plus n square minus 2nr plus n minus 2nr minus 2n plus 2r square minus 2 equal to 0. After that, according to the question, they are asking to prove first term as n square. No, first here also you write n square. Next, minus 2nr minus 2nr minus 4nr. That is over. Next, plus n minus 2n. So minus n. Next, r square, 2r square plus 2r square, 4r square. Next, minus 2. From these two take common, minus n common, n square minus n into 4r plus 1 plus 4r square minus 2 equal to 0. Hence proved. Once again I'll revise this question. This is the expansion. In that tr plus 1, tr plus 2 terms we wrote. In that the coefficients ncr minus 1, ncr plus 1. Given that ncr plus 1, ncr minus 1, ncr plus 1 are in AP. Arithmetic progression. We know that ABC are in AP. We can get the condition as 2B equal to A plus C. So A is equal to NCR minus 1, B is equal to NCR, C is equal to NCR plus 1. These values. So 2 times of NCR equal to NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1. So 2 equal to NCR dividing on both sides by NCR. NCR minus 1 by NCR plus 1 by NCR. So 2 equal to, we know that standard formula NCR minus 1 by NCR equal to R by N minus R plus 1. Similarly, NCR plus 1 by NCR, N minus R by R plus 1, substitute and simplify. We will get the answer in that way. I hope everyone understands, students. Thank you all.